Hi, I'm Jillian, and today we're going to talk about how to get your offer accepted in a very competitive market. And today I'm here with Richard Woodward with Service First Mortgage, and we're going to speak with you a little bit about that. And Richard, what is that like on your end of the deal?
Oh, there's a lot of pressure, but I get a lot of clients that are pre-qualified, or they're coming to me, and my list of pre-qualified buyers grows because it's a competitive market. It truly is. So one of the main things to do is to get fully pre-approved. And fully pre-approved means that you filled out a credit application, you've provided me your pay stubs, your tax returns, your W-2s, and any other little thing that might need to be addressed. And I can turn around, then upgrade you to a full pre-approval on the letter that you're going to present. And it says that I've verified everything in writing.
We sure do like those.
Yes, those are the best. And so as a team, Jillian and I work together. So Jillian, you find the property, and then she will text me and tell me what property they're looking at and what realtor that they're looking at. And I will pick up the phone, call that listing agent, and tell them that my client is very well qualified. Everything has been verified. We're a local direct company with control of every step of the process. We can close quickly, and we are one of the top 5 lenders in town. So after I've warmed up the listing agent, I turn it back over to Jillian. She takes it from there.
And you know, the interesting thing is that when you call that listing agent, I've already been in contact with that listing agent because I asked them questions initially showing the house, and I've already started the negotiation. So when they hear from you, they are already almost sold. So the next thing that we want to do is look at the contract. And there are several different areas of the contract that are very important to negotiate. Number one, your down payment. Now, you have to put 3% down, and sometimes people can't do more than that. So the next area is going to be your escrow. And if we're up against other offers, we'll do a 2% escrow. And that makes you look very, very strong. And then the next thing that we're going to look at is your closing date. So if you go with a bank, you're going to be 30 to 60 days out. But if you go with a mortgage lender that has already fully pre-approved you, not pre-qualified you, then that cuts down a lot of your time in the initial first week. And so we can do usually 3 to 4 week close, and that selling agent's looking at that. The next thing that we're looking at is your option fee. We can put more on the option fee, put less on the option date. You know, instead of 8 days, we'll do 5, depending on when we put the contract in. And then also we may not ask for a home warranty. If we're really in a competitive, highly competitive bid, sometimes I'll have my buyers purchase the title policy.
Yeah, because it's normal and customary in Texas for the seller to pay that.
That's right. And so if we stack the contract very competitively, and then you write a very heartfelt letter to the seller, I have won a lot of bids based on those letters, and we weren't even the highest.
I have seen it work a number of times too, and it's amazing. If you, as a buyer, write a sincere letter of why you want to buy that house, that can tug at the hearts of a seller, and it can oftentimes help you to win. So a good quality agent like Jillian knows how to put those offers together.
Yes, that's right. And it really takes being experienced in a competitive market to know what points of that contract is going to really appeal to the seller and the agent. Because I'm selling my client to the agent, and the agent sells my client to the seller. So it's really important to get that sale done up front.
So knowing the hot buttons, having a great realtor, having a great lender, we're here to help you get your offer accepted. So if you are looking out to buy, give us a call. We're here to help you.
That's right. It'd be my honor and my pleasure to help you through the process.
Thanks, guys.